You know, anytime you do a song where the music is kind of stripped down and I can hear your voice, well, I really enjoy that because your texture is really, really amazing and unique. You have one of the most unique voices on the competition. You know, but I also want you to remember, like, don't work too hard. Your voice already has so much. Like, don't try. You don't have to do too much to impress us. I promise you.
Yes.
You know, your voice is beautiful, and that was really nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Jordan, not gonna shake up, my brother.
In
fact, I hope they never break your heart before. Or they never break your heart as you did like this now, Sha. Because you actually sang from your heart and you delivered. I think this is one of your best song choices so far.
Thank you, sir.
Outstanding. Nice. Classic performance.
Yes. Your tone is unbelievable. Your tone is so sweet. I feel like I've said it before. I feel like I will swallow CD. Your tone is so sweet, and I love the soul that you use, the emotion that you put behind that song. It really spoke to me. Thank you.
Yeah, Jordan, man. I mean, personally, I just thought it was an incredible performance. You know, you were hitting notes that are just incredible to hear from a man. And the way you were singing it, this whole entire place was completely quiet, which means you got everybody's attention. Well done, man.
Thank you so much, sir.
Well.